Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to cook. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So you can simply ask for a simple recipe for a dessert or a meal. So let me show you that. I really love chocolate chip cookies, so let's ask for a recipe for chocolate chip cookies and let's hit enter. Here's our recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So let me show you another example. Let's say you're a vegan and you want a meatballs. So let's ask that as well. So here's our vegan meatballs recipe. And finally, you can get some ideas for your dinner. So let's say I have friends coming over for a dinner. So I want a 4-course menu. So let's ask that as well. And let's hit enter. And here's our 4-course menu with some carrot ginger soup and vegan Caesar salad. And finally, you can, let's say you are on a tight diet and you need to take exact calories for a specific meal. So let's ask that as well. So let's say you need to take 100 calories for your lunch. And let's hit enter. And here's our 1000-calorie menu. Like in main dish there is some chicken breast and there are some side dishes, snacks, beverages, and the total is 1000 calories. And that's basically how to use ChatGPT to cook. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.